The FNP-90 is one of the most unique and futuristic-looking submachine guns in the world. Designed in the late 1980s by the Belgian company FN Herstal, the P-90 was built for a very specific role, to provide compact yet highly effective firepower to support troops such as vehicle crews, special forces, and law enforcement. This report explores how powerful the P-90 really is, covering its design, firepower, accuracy, and real-world effectiveness. Small diamond design and innovation. The P-90 stands out immediately because of its bullpup design, meaning the magazine and action are located behind the trigger. This allows it to maintain a longer barrel while staying compact. One of its most innovative features is the horizontal top-mounted magazine, which holds 50 rounds, far more than most SMGs. The ammunition rotates 90 degrees before entering the chamber, making it both compact and efficient. Key design features: compact and lightweight, approximately equals 2.6 kilograms. Fully ambidextrous, usable by both left and right-handed shooters. Integrated reflex sight, on many variants. Extremely low recoil. This design makes the P-90 ideal for tight environments like vehicles and urban combat. Small diamond firepower and ammunition. The P-90 uses a specialized cartridge, the 5.7 x 28 mm cartridge. Unlike traditional 9 mm rounds used in most SMGs, this round is smaller in size, faster in velocity, designed for armor penetration. Performance highlights: muzzle velocity, approximately 715 meters per second. Rate of fire, approximately 900 rounds per minute. Effective range, approximately 200 meters. The high velocity allows the bullet to penetrate body armor that would typically stop standard pistol rounds. This gives the P-90 a major advantage in modern combat scenarios. Small diamond accuracy and control. Despite its high rate of fire, the P-90 is known for excellent accuracy and control. This is due to low recoil from the 5.7 mm round, balanced bullpup design, ergonomic grip and layout. In close quarters battle, CQB, the P-90 performs exceptionally well. Soldiers can maintain accuracy even during automatic fire, which is crucial in high-stress situations. Small diamond real-world use and effectiveness. The P-90 is used by military and law enforcement agencies in over 40 countries. It is especially popular among special forces units, counter-terrorism teams, personal security details. Its compact size and high-capacity magazine make it ideal for protecting VIPs or operating in confined spaces like buildings and vehicles. Small diamond strengths vs limitations. Strengths: high magazine capacity, 50 rounds. Armor penetrating capability, low recoil and high accuracy. Compact and lightweight. Limitations: less stopping power compared to larger calibers. Expensive and less common ammunition. Limited effectiveness at long range. Small diamond final verdict: how powerful is it? The FNP-90 is not about raw destructive power like a rifle, it's about efficiency, control, and advanced design. In its intended role, close-range combat and personal defense, it is extremely powerful and effective. Its ability to combine high fire rate, armor penetration, precision in tight spaces, makes it one of the most advanced SMGs ever created.